It's around 6:10 and you can see all over orange colors because of the sky. Just see the sky behind me. Oh my god, what a beautiful sky it is. Are you planning to buy a bicycle at a reasonable rate? And you were wondering how the quality of the bicycle of a low range would be? So watch this video till the end. You will get all your answers in the end. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. There it is. Now let's unlock it and let's go. So hello and welcome back to another new vlog, and hope you are all doing well. And today is Saturday 29th of August and it's around 4:20 p.m. and now as usual I am again out for cycling. And this week the weather was not that good. For the past 2 days the weather is good, but this week it rained the whole week, so that there was not a good scope for cycling this week. So today is quite bright and sunny. You can see the sunlight coming here. Hope you will all like this video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel at the end. And if you like the video, do give the video a like and stay tuned and enjoy the video. In this video I will give you some information. If you are planning to buy this cycle, mine is between my hybrid, my bike. If you are planning to buy this bicycle, and I will give you some advantage and some disadvantages of this buying this bike. I have cycled it for around 2 months now. It is with me for around 2 months now and I am loving this bike. The weather now is totally perfect, clear blue sky with some patches of white clouds, and after many days I am getting to see this weather in Kolkata. Now I am currently cycling beside the Eco Park. In my video you will get to see Eco Park many times because it's quite near to my home. And as I said, in this video I will be giving a short review of my cycle, Decathlon between my bike. The model name of the cycle is the basic cycle of Decathlon for adults. In this video I will give my opinion, how was my experience with this cycle for 2 months. I bought this cycle on 21st of June. Now today is 29th of August. I am planning to cover around 25 kilometers because in this week, as I told, I was unable to cycle much. So today my route will be Newtown to Lake Town via Chinar Park, then via Lake Town to Ulturanga, and then Ulturanga to Salt Lake, and then Salt Lake straight to Newtown. So this is my plan for today, and in between I will give you a quite detailed experience review of the bike. I will give you my point of view of this cycle, my experience of this cycle. So don't think that if I am defaming any brands or promoting any brands, so don't misjudge my review. Now I have just stopped in front of the Taj Mahal. I have made a video of it. Do check that out. Link will be in the I button. Now let's stop here. So first of all, let me tell the price. It costed me around 4491, excluding the stand and the ring. The basic cycle cost me 4499, and now it is 4999. And I added a stand, the seat cushion, and the wheel. So total was around nearly around 5700. Now let me share the good side and the bad side. At first, let's share the good side. At first, I want to apologize for the dirty cycle. I told you for the last 2 to 3 weeks it rained continuously in Kolkata, so that's why the cycle is dirty. I didn't have the chance. If I I didn't clean it purposely because every day I will go out and every day it will get dirty. So it's no use of cleaning in this rainy season. So I like the bike, the bicycle to remain like this dirty itself. Talk about the comfort of the seat. Since I added the seat cushion, it is quite comfortable, but initially you will have a back pain on the lower hip because it takes a few days for the seat to take your back shape. And now let's talk about this bell. This bell is quite good, quite loud, and the tires, the grip of the tires is quite good. Basically these are just hybrid bikes, so this comes with the good tires. I had one puncture in the front tire few days back. There was some no nails. There was a puncture in the tube, but the tube quality is quite good in this cycle. Actually, I have to get a service done for this cycle because it is quite dirty and I used it very roughly, and its build quality is quite good. Till now the build quality is 100 out of 100 and the seat quality is around, I will give around 70 out of 100. I have not sit on the original seats. I have seated on the cushion after it attached to the original seat. And the handling of the cycle is quite good. I have attained a maximum speed of 65 km per hour checked on my Strava app. I will share if I get to find the statistics. And this is all the good side. The tires are quite good. The seats are also quite average, not that good. And the handling and the hardness of the cycle is quite good compared to other cycles. These are of aluminium, that's why they are quite light. These wheels are of aluminium, the frame, these are of aluminium, that's why it's quite light. And the cycle is quite light compared to other cycles which comes in this price range, because the price of the cycle is, the higher you go, the higher range of the cycle you go, the price of the cycle goes up. And because of the build quality, the more lighter the cycle you want, you have to pay a higher price. So this is all from the good side of the cycle. Now let's come to the bad side of the cycle. The bad side, I would tell, the first thing that is troubling me is the seat. You can see the seat is bending like this. Whenever I sit, it gets bended to the back side. I have also adjusted my sitting posture, but still the same problem is going on. I have gone to the Decathlon service center. They adjusted, but still it is going backside. This is the first disadvantage I am facing. Second, for the past few days the chain is falling off, but it is quite easy to get it on. But still, why it is falling off after 2 months? So I have to get that checked also. This is the second point. And the third point is of the accessories. This accessory, the stand, it comes aftermarket, means it doesn't come with a cycle. It is just bending. So, before it used to stand like this, but it is bending. Because first time when the chain fell off, I was coming down from a bridge, and it is quite risky because while coming down from a bridge, the cycle attains a high speed. So in that speed, if the chain falls off, so it can be a very bad issue. You know what I am telling to say. Now those who are planning to buy a bicycle in these days, because of in this COVID situation, many of the people are trying to avoid the public transport. Those whose offices or the workspace are near to their home, they are buying new cycles. So in these days, the cycle are not coming at a fixed price. Shops in Bentinck Street, in Kolkata, Bentinck Street is famous for cycle shops. People are buying cycle at high prices than the average price. So the main issue is, where can we get fixed price cycle? So I decided to buy from Decathlon because there the cycle are of fixed price and you can check out the internet also the price of the cycles. But in Mentic Street, where Hero Cycles or cycles of that Relson or Hercules, they are charging overprice of the cycles because the shop owners are taking advantage of the situation and they know that people will come to buy if now not today then tomorrow. You can see there this marked stuff, but these are not marked stuff. And there is a Taj Mahal. I just stopped. I came to see a different thing. Just see that statue has been marked up like this. Everyone is marked up, so you also wear your masks. So hope this 2 months ownership experience was helpful to you, and if you are planning to buy a bicycle, do give a research on all the bicycles and the price of the bicycles because in nowadays the price of the cycles are quite high compared to the previous years. So now let's move on from this place and I'll see you on the roads. Last Saturday I went to Kumottuli. People outside from Kolkata let me tell a bit of Kumottuli. Kumottuli is a place where the idols have been made. Durga idols, Ganesh idols, Lakshmi idols, all the idols are made there. So I went there because Durga Puja is less than 50 days to go for Durga Puja. So before Durga Puja I do go there and check out in which stage the status of the making of the idols. And this year in this pandemic it won't be possible to celebrate Durga Puja in that huge manner compared to the other years. So what I decided, let me go there and check what's the status. And if you want to see that video, the video will be in the I button. Do give the video a watch and you will also get to see what is the status of the idol making in this pandemic. And there is the Hanumanji statue. I've also shown it in you in the previous vlog. This is a huge Hanuman statue of Kolkata, like the Delhi. How beautiful it is looking. Because of the rain, everything has turned green. And what a beautiful view. It feels like I am in some village areas. Seeing these rains are quite painful because it reminds me of the past of traveling in planes. Whenever you want, you can travel with your family, but now it's not that easy to travel. So I will be making traveling vlogs soon whenever I get a chance. But let's see, finger crossed. Hopefully everything will go fine. The interstate traveling will be loosened because the interstate traveling permission will be loosened because it is quite strict now. So let's see when I get a chance to travel interstate, not inter-country now, interstate or intrastate, whichever is possible. I'll make videos on that soon. For that, you have to subscribe to the channel. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to the channel right now and watch the previous vlogs if you haven't watched it yet. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. So in total, I just can remember I had 5 cycles before this. 5 cycles, right? 5 or 4 cycles before this cycle. After this, I am planning to buy a gear cycle. Not now, after a few months, I will be buying a good gear cycle, lightweight cycle. Not cycle which will have a good sitting position because I don't like racing position on my cycle. So I like cycle with good cruising position. So that's all. Churanga straight, leg turn on the right, and after 3.7 kilometers, PM bypass will come. Hope you can see the tilt over here. I am holding the phone straight and you can see the tilt over here. So this tilt in the seat is causing a lot of back pain. I have made a video of the Rakhi market. In that video, I told I am facing a back problem, back pain while cycling. So because of this tilt in the seat, the posture of the body is getting abnormal, and that's why I am getting a low back pain. I have to get it resolved quickly, and I am going to complain it because last time I went and they fixed it, but again it is now moving down. So I have to go and fix it. So I have stopped here because it was too much paining on my lower back. So I just stopped here. I will have some water. I'm near Newtown. I'm sorry, near Lake Town. And so this is the scene over here. You can see the pollution over here. It is so hazy over there. The sundays is not possible. The sundays is also not properly clean. Can be viewed. Pollution have increased vastly in these few months. In the initial days of Corona, the pollution and all were just resolved, but now again there is so much pollution because of too much of traffic, and it's better you mask up, not for Corona but for pollution also. Not only for Corona but for pollution also. You get masked up while coming out of home. Covered 90% of today's land cycling. Now I am in the Newtown region, Newtown area, and now I am thinking of filling up the air on my cycle because I think there is less air on the two tires. Another issue which I am facing, it is not working. It is not working properly. I have to check this also. The air was more. Front tire it is 40, the back tire it is 45. Back tire the air was quite less, 26. The air was less at the back tire and the front tire. It was nearly the same. And here look what I spotted in the petrol pump. There is a ZX Trainer in the petrol pump, and look at the sound of the exhaust in standing mode. It is installed with Acropolis exhaust. This is the old version of the ZX Trainer. Look, hear the sound of the exhaust in standing mode only. Just so in future years I can buy something like that. I am not a fan of sports bike. I am a fan of adventure tourer bike. So not this type of bikes, maybe Triumph Tiger or BMW GSA. Let's see. In around 3 to 4 years soon I can buy it. Fingers crossed. Just look how beautiful the sky is looking from here. Sunset time and a beautiful orange, pink, violet mixed colors in the sky. How beautiful it is looking, huh? It's around 6:10 and you can see all over orange colors because of the sky. Just see the sky behind me. Oh my god, what a beautiful sky it is. A perfect environment to cycle, because if you see the sky like this, the environment like this, you get more motivated for cycling. So that's all for today's video. Hope this video was quite informative to you and hope you like this video. So if you like this video, do give the video a like and do subscribe to the channel at the end. So we'll meet you soon in some next video, and till then, bye bye and stay safe.